So we're here today with Jesse, the homeowner of 710 Glen Haven, and just wanted to have a quick chat with him and talk about some of the things that you've done on the house, some of the things
Sure.
about the neighborhood. So tell us a little bit about the house.
Well, we did a complete remodel in this house. So it's got a new kitchen, new master bathroom. All the flooring in the house is new. We put on a new roof, new air conditioner, new furnace, and we repiped. We took out all the galvanized plumbing and replaced it with PEX. So it's a pretty full remodel.
The coolest thing is about this neighborhood, and I love how Jesse talks about that you didn't really know about this neighborhood when you first bought the property. So can you share about that?
Yeah, I've lived in the Woodlands for about 20 years now, and I didn't know about this neighborhood. It's kind of a hidden, well-kept secret because it's right off of Interstate 45 and 1488, and I've spent so much time at this house during the remodel process that I really got to know the neighborhood and the location well, and it is just a nice, quiet place. There's only one access into the neighborhood and out, and so there's no through traffic, and the only people that are here are the people that are supposed to be here. So it's very quiet, it's very nice. There's even a bar at the other end of the neighborhood.
Yeah.
Oddly enough, another hidden secret in the neighborhood, but it's really nice and it's really peaceful. And because of the location and because of the type of neighborhood, it's kind of an HOA light neighborhood,
Right.
which means that what you do behind the fence, they're not too concerned about. And so you can have a camper or any type of toys, boat, or whatever type of toys that you have. You can have a shed in the back or build a giant shed if you want, because the lot is massive. So the lot's just about 0.4 of an acre. It's over 17,000 square feet. And so part of what makes the neighborhood so good is that you can be a little bit more flexible than what you might if you were in a little bit more of a strict HOA
Right.
type of situation.
I love the fact that the taxes are super low as well. I think they're 1.88.
Yeah.
1.88, like that's amazing.
You can't beat that.
No, and then the HOA, like you say, is light HOA, but it's also light on the pocketbook as well. I think it's $330.
Right, $330.
$330 a year. So that's fantastic as well. It's really good.
Yeah, it's good. The thing is, in this neighborhood too, this street's never flooded. The house is never flooded, but the whole street hasn't flooded either. And so sitting here looking out into the backyard, I can see a pond in the backyard, but there's never been a flooding issue with this street and this house. And so it is just really a well-kept secret. So much that I think houses don't really come up for sale much in this neighborhood, because as I've gotten to know the neighbors, they say, hey, nobody wants to leave. Everyone really likes to stay here. It's just a peaceful place. And it's, 1488 and 45, that puts us about 10 minutes from the Woodlands Mall. I think there's 3 HEBs within 12-minute drive from here. So it's just a great location.
Yeah. And if you come and have a look, you'll see that it's just a wonderful home. You did an amazing job on the remodel. It is like a new house. I think it's better than a new house myself. You get an extra bedroom. It's a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath. And this yard is absolutely incredible. So come and have a look. Give me a call. I'd be happy to show it to you. Thanks.